Hi, I'm Sue Ellen Sprague. I'm VP of Product for the Automotive Business Unit at EPICOR. So we're here today and we have a number of new products that we're bringing into the space. The biggest investment that we've made recently is in our next-gen built-in-the-cloud Aces and Pies catalog. So we've delivered that into Mexico completely in Spanish, all of the UI and the data, running standalone in Mexico today. We have it standalone in the US today. We're also showing it for the first time embedded in our Automotive ERP. So our new catalog is now available in our Automotive ERP. We're also showing for the first time we've built a new built-in-the-cloud B2B application for the automotive aftermarket. That's new. We're bringing out some new analytics. We really are the data aggregator for the automotive aftermarket. So when we're talking about AI, we have the industry data that we can already start to apply AI to. We're doing that with sales, with failure rates, with replacement rates. So we have a lot of new tools with AI in our analytics space. Elite Extra, we have a couple of recent acquisitions. So Elite Extra, we acquired last November, last mile logistics product. Just this October, we acquired Selenium. That's a PIM, for you guys know what a PIM is, parts information management product. It also has a DAM. It's also a digital asset management product, and it also has a photography studio in Detroit. So you can send us your parts, we'll photograph them, and then you can build a DAM for e-commerce. So that's our most recent acquisition. So we are innovating, we're acquiring, and we're continuing to bring products to our customers that helps them sell more parts and service their customers.